Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Pista. In this video I am going to show you how to type vertical text on Microsoft Excel. Sometimes people would like to write the vertical text on their Excel worksheet. In this situation, how they can type vertically? Let's learn how you can do this. So in my workbook, exam term as a quarterly, this I would like to type vertically. So first I have to select the all rows, then I have to go to merge and center. I have to click on the cursor here, then I have to type the quarterly. So now I would like to change the vertical alignment. So I have to select this cell and go to orientation, click on the rotate text up. Now we can click on the middle. That's it. So now you can able to type anything. So in this way you can type the vertical text on Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, enter the comment section.